Hello everyone, this is Oda Academy. Today I will show you how to run multiple linear regression model and how to check the multicollinearity issues with the regression model. So in order to create, let me import my data. Let me click on file, then import my SPSS file. Then I will browse from my data, so healthy data. So this is my variables. I will select all the variables, then move to the right hand side, then click. So this one is my data. So I will open the data view. You can see this is ID, region, sex, age. The dependent variable is cost. This is the healthy cost. How the healthy cost related with exercise per week. If exercise per week increase or decrease, with what will happen to the cost? What if the cigarette consumption increase or decrease? What will happen to the healthy cost? What about consumptions of alcohol increase or decrease will have on impact on the then as age increase, what is the healthy cost? And the others are categorical variables. We need to focus only continuous variables for this purpose. So how can we run this multiple linear regression model? I will show you in two ways. The first one is in command, the second one is using the menu of the starter. So let me close this one. So don't forget this one is cost, the dependent variables. These three: alcohol consumption, cigarette, exercise book, exercise per week, as well as ages, the independent variables. So let me show you how we can run these variables. So finally, we will check the multicollinearity. So this is my data set. The first step I will show you. Click on starter. Click on linear model. So I will select linear regression model. So after you get select the dependent variable cost, then the independent variables includes exercise, cigarettes, alcohol consumption, age. That's enough for this. So I will click on OK. So as you can see, this one is the model, the regression model, like this. This is the regression model. So you can run the multiple linear regression model. The statics menu, selecting linear regression model, then go to linear regression model, then we'll select dependent and dependent variables, then click OK. The other one is you can write here regress or reg. You can say regress like this. Then the dependent variable is cost, exercise, cigarette, alcohol consumption, and age. Please don't forget the dependent variables should come first, and the independent variables follow the dependent variable. So write the command. As you can see, the regress is in different color than cost, exercise, cigarette, alcohol, and age. So click enter. So this is the similar result we found uh, with previous. So the third one is if you want, uh, you can open for this purpose. This is enough. But the next step is to run vector the correlation between variables. If there is a relationship between the independent variables, it may affect the validity of our data. So in order to check the validity, if the variables are correlated with each other, in order to check the multicollinearity of independent variables, I will write only VIF. Then I click this command. So if you check these are the independent variables, they are below 10. If greater than and it shows these variables have correlation issue. So we need to check, or we need to correct the multicollinearity problem. So for this purpose, it is low n, so there is no multicollinearity issues these variables. So what I want to show you is do file. If you want, right here. For example, what we did is regress, then cost. If you write LG cost right here, there age, there alcohol, there exercise, there. So what is left? Age, alcohol consumption, exercise. So this, we can use these three variables, but we have age, exercise, alcohol, cigarette consumption, other variable cigarette consumption. You can select these variables, then execute your model. If you click this one, you will find your result here. Look, int file. So based on this, you can run the multiple regression model. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel.